Today we're heading down Overseas Highway, which is the gateway bridge from Miami to Key Largo, which will lead on to the 7-mile bridge that takes you to Key West. So make sure you like, subscribe, ding the bell to stay in the loop of all the shenanigans. I am creating a playlist of the adventures, roadside attractions, different explorations here in the Florida Keys, from Key Largo to Tavernier to Isla Morada, all the way down to Key West. So make sure you check out that playlist, make sure you ding that bell. But before we get into today's video, I want to give a shout out to Torras. They sent me a sunscreen for the iPhone Max Pro 17. Just got this in the mail. We're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to check out how it looks, how we're going to put it to the test, and then we hit the road. Let's go. Alright, so once again, I would like to thank Torras for sponsoring this video and sending me this sun protector. So we're going to take it out the box, get the case. It comes with a wipey, so make sure you wipe it down, and then you dab to dry it up. Get this little case thingamajiggy, cover it over the phone, pull the orange tab, slide it out, and then you swipe to the right, pop the little casing, your screen protector should be on. Make sure you release all the air bubbles, and bada boom, bada bing. Alright y'all, so now that we've unboxed it and we've put everything together, it's time to be out here in the sun and take it to the test. Let's check this out. Okay, so here we have no shield, and as you can see there, you see reflections. The screen is basically black. And here we have the Sunview AR Shield on, and you can see the difference. There's barely any glare. You don't really see the reflection of the sun. The video image is clear. You can see the colors popping very well. And right here in full direct sun, you don't really see any glare. So there you have it. That is for the iPhone Max Pro 17. They also have the 18 Pro Max coming out and the iPhone Pro 18 coming out. My honest opinion, I've been using it for about a week. It definitely helps a lot with the sun glare, the quality on where you're using your phone, especially in hot summer days like this right here in Florida, the Florida Keys. The visibility is great. So a screensaver like this is perfect for anybody like me who has sensitive eyes, who suffer from light, sun rays, reflections. For me personally, it gives me headaches. I get really bad migraines, so that's why most of the time I'm actually wearing sunglasses, as you see in most of my videos. And I always have to have like red lights or blue lights, bright lights. They really affect me. So if that's you and you're like me, I really highly recommend for you to check out Torras, link below, and find the perfect screensaver for your phone. They do iPhones, they do Galaxies, they do Androids, they do all that. Check them out, link below.
In this moment, can we ride? Nothing's stopping us tonight. passenger, you lead the way.